In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and use the chat feature in a Webex meeting. Webex offers a versatile set of tools to enhance your virtual meeting experience, and understanding how to efficiently use the chat function can significantly improve your communication during a session. Let's walk through the simple steps to make the most out of Webex chat. First, you'll want to make sure you've joined a Webex meeting. If you're unfamiliar with joining a meeting, it usually involves either clicking a link you received in an invite or entering a meeting number on the Webex site. Once you're in the meeting, you'll notice several options at the bottom of the window. Take a moment to locate the chat bubble icon. This icon is your gateway to the chat function and can be identified by its speech balloon-like shape. Clicking on that chat bubble will open the chat panel, typically on the right side of your screen. This chat panel is where all the magic happens. Within the panel, you'll see options to select different people or groups to message. Here's a handy tip. If you're looking to chat with everyone in the meeting, make sure the text field says everyone. This ensures anything you type will be visible to all participants, which is perfect for general questions or comments. In case you want to send a message to a specific participant privately, you can select an individual from the drop-down menu within the chat panel. This is particularly useful when you need to discuss something without interrupting the group conversation. Remember, private messages stay between you and the chosen participant only, so feel confident using this feature for side conversations. Begin by typing your message in the text field at the bottom of the chat panel. Once you're satisfied with your message, press Enter on your keyboard to send it. Voila! Your message is now visible in the chat window, either to everyone or to the specific participant you selected. Keep in mind that the chat function is a great tool for sharing quick thoughts or asking questions without disrupting the speaker. One more thing to remember about Webex Chat. It's a useful feature for sharing links and small files. In many cases, you can drag and drop files into the chat window or click on the paperclip icon if it's available. This is an effective way to distribute documents or images effortlessly during a meeting. As we wrap up, feel free to revisit these instructions whenever you need a refresher on using the chat feature in Webex meetings. By mastering these skills, you ensure smooth, efficient communication in all your future virtual gatherings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Webex meetings just a little bit easier.